Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be going over my September monthly haul. If you're new to my channel, for the entire year of 2019, I have put myself on a low buy where I am setting up a beauty budget of $150 or less on makeup per month. That is makeup, that is not hair care, that is not skincare, it's just makeup. And I got a lot this month. So let's see how I did. The first order I placed was Labor Day weekend, so like the 1st or the 2nd of September. Ulta was having a sale, and because they were having a sale, I could get more with my points than I normally would, so I got a whole bunch of stuff and paid nothing for it. First of all, I got the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 14. I have been loving the white shade so much, I wanted to get one in my skin tone and actually try it out as a concealer, not just as like a cut crease base or for, you know, artistic makeup. And so far I'm really liking this formula. It really reminds me of the Maybelline Age Rewind a lot. I do love that one, so I think I'm gonna like this one. Next I got the Revolution, what is this, I don't know, it is this eyeliner. Doesn't have the name on it other than the brand name. It is a liquid eyeliner with a felt tip, and I got this because Jessica Braun loves this eyeliner, raves about it, and I've used it a couple of times and I don't know what she's hyping up about. Like, this is just okay in my opinion. I am going to continue to use it because I feel like some eyeliners get better with time, just like mascaras when they dry out a little, aren't as liquidy, they get a little bit better. So I'm going to continue to use this and report back to you, but so far I don't see what the hype is, and there are definitely other liquid liners that I like more. Next I got the Revolution Vintage Lace Blush Palette. This is a 4-pan blush palette with luminous and glittery blushes. These blushes not only have that overspray of glitter, they are luminous on their own. I'm wearing the peachy shade today, and besides my highlighter, like, my cheeks are glowy AF. I really like this. I'm super glad to have it. I think it has a nice variety of colors, and once you get off that first layer of overspray of glitter, it's just a really nice luminous blush. Of course, you know, I had to get eyeshadow palettes, so I've already reviewed this one. This is the ColourPop X's and O's palette. This is what it looks like right here. If you haven't seen my video reviewing it, definitely check it out. It is a beautiful fall color story, and definitely like a good value as far as how many shades you get and the ColourPop quality, but I do have some thoughts on it that you should see in that video. Next I got the Sugar Pill Fun Size palette. It is this little mini like pastel bright palette that is so fun, and I am definitely planning on using this in a video soon. I'm so excited to use it. The colors swatch a bit sheer, but they do apply really pigmented on the eyes, and I think they do live up to the Sugar Pill quality. And with these kinds of colors, like, I don't mind that they're such small pans because I'm never going to use that up. Never. The last item I got from this Ulta haul was the Juvia's Nubian 3 Coral. I was between this one and the Revolution dupe for the, what is it, the Sultry palette from Anastasia, which has like the pop of coral and the cool tones, and Makeup Revolution made a dupe for it, and when I put them side by side, this one looked really similar to that. But I do like Juvia's Place shadows a little bit better than Makeup Revolution, and I thought this was a little bit more of a variety of colors, so that's why I went with this one. And so far I am loving it. It is so beautiful. I think it has moved to the top of my favorites as far as Juvia's Place palettes go. Now you know I made a stop at the cosmetics department at my local Walmart. I always have to do that whenever I grocery shop. Not every time, but like at least once a month. And I saw that they had this Gilded Jade palette from Milani, which I had never heard anything about. It has 9 shadows and 2 highlights. The price will be on the screen as far as how much it costs. I do not have that in front of me right now, but it is so beautiful, and I've never really gotten to play with Milani shadows before, and I can definitely see what the hype is as far as these being some of the best drugstore shadows, and these highlighters are really, really nice too. I definitely recommend this palette if you are interested in it. The other item I got is the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam in Light. This is a 6-pan highlighter palette, and I believe this was $10, but again, I'll have the exact price on the screen. And this really reminded me of my Cover FX Gold Bar highlighting palette. I definitely want to do a battle review between those two. The pans down here with the texture really remind me of it, and the pink and the nude and the yellow gold, like, it looks so similar to me, and this was like a quarter of the price of the Cover FX one, so I think it'd be worth looking into and comparing them. So look forward to that video coming sometime soon. The next item that I purchased was from an indie brand that I follow on Instagram called Yeouth Cosmetics. They have a variety of products available, but I was really interested in their glitters. They have these glitz packs, which are like multi-packs of different glitters, and they had a flash sale of 50% off, so I was able to get a really decent price for all 12 of these glitters, and they're so pretty. I'm wearing one of them on my wing today, and it is just stunning. And I think these are really unique colors that I don't have from anywhere else. Lots of chunky shapes. There's stars. There's one called Unicorn that's really cool and iridescent. Like, they're so cool, and I'm really excited to have that variety of glitters in my collection, and I definitely recommend checking out Yeouth Cosmetics. The last thing I purchased was actually 2 things from Sephora, but the order will not be here for a couple more days. So I thought I had some room left in my budget. We'll see once I add everything up. But I thought I had some room left in my budget, and I really, really wanted the Natasha Denona Mini Gold palette. So I added that to my cart, and it looks so gorgeous, and I can't wait to try Natasha Denona eyeshadows. I'm so excited. But I didn't want to pay for shipping. Even though I would have to spend like $25 more to hit that $50 mark to get free shipping. So I found this Lip Stories bundle from Sephora that's like a holiday lipstick set that looks so, so pretty, and I thought that I could like use it to gift lipsticks to people and maybe keep one for myself. That's the idea. We'll see if I actually keep them all. But those are the 2 items I got from my Sephora order, and that is everything that I purchased cosmetic makeup wise in the month of September. If I mathed right, which I will have the correct math on the screen, for the month of September I spent $93.97, which is $56.03 below budget. I'm so excited. I'm always so excited when I am under budget, even by a little, but by this much is a super good accomplishment for me, and I hope I can continue this streak for the rest of the year and finish on a high note. I know I definitely will not have as many products from October because I don't have any Ulta points left to spend. So no more points hauls. But I'm so excited that I stayed in budget. Let me know down below if you guys are on low buys or no buys, how you are doing. I'd love to follow you on your journey. And as well, if you saw any products today that you would love to see any videos with, let me know in the comments down below. I will make that happen for you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.